Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Thank you for coming. Actually kita punya ahli hili kita, including yang saya recruit and yang my recruiters recruited, I counted there's more than 30 lah, about 33 and maybe more, I don't know, because I only know yang I recruit. So yang Nadia dia punya downline tu ramai jugalah, and it's a shock to me because I didn't expect so many people to actually agree to buy something so expensive. I bought because I understand the technology, because I've been using things like that before. Okay, just to introduce you to some of the things that use gelombang. Dia guna gelombang. So when we say gelombang, we mean waves ataupun frequencies. Frequency itu kita tahu dia measured by hertz. So hertz, kilohertz apa semua, but the hertz that you use for treatment are low, very low frequencies. So some of the frequency machines that we've come across, one is bioresonance. And Yasmin has tested the bioresonance. Kan? You came to the clinic and you tested the bioresonance. Huh? Wasn't you? Somebody came. Oh yeah, Normala is the one. Normala, she came and did a bioresonance scan because she wanted to try it. Because I said you can come and have a free scan, yeah? So she came. And then you have Rife. Rife uses frequencies just like this one. I have it in my room. Nanti kalau saya pun nak tengok, nanti I bawa keluar. So this Rife generator yang is one of those things yang kat atas tu lah. That one is a Rife generator. And then you have test machine. Test machine tu biasa lah, yang you bubuh tu, yang you feel the current kan. And then we have the PEMF. PEMF is a magnetic pulse electromagnetic field. Okay. Then you have electric field therapy. Electric field therapy is that chair, 21,000, that chair. And it has maknanya kan, that whole chair macam have electric field. And on top of which they have panas, and ada macam cooling apa semua, and some music. And for that you pay 21k. And I was searching for this device apa semua, I found somebody was selling it at Carousel. Dia beli 21,000, dia nak jual balik 5,000. Tak tahu laku ke tidak. Tak tahulah dia upgrade ke, dia downgrade ke, kita pun tak tahu. Apa dia? Oh, yang the other one is the Saragam. Saragam is just a massage machine. It's just a massage machine. Only thing is they have heating and jet. Itulah jet lah. The jet crystals. Yes. It is a massage machine. And the only thing is that the jet adalah some vibration and heat. But heat is itself also a wave. It is a wave therapy. But these are all waves, okay? So this is PMF. Pardon? That is heat only. That is infrared. Okay? Okay, so this is PMF. PEMF is it is one of these registered lah. It is a registered device. It is registered device. Dia memang electromagnetic. So what is it used for? Is for pain control. So PEMF is known to treat chronic pain. Memang it works, okay? And it's quite expensive. Memang mahal lah. Okay, when I was working in Seoul, he wanted to charge 500 per treatment, and I said to him, you're crazy. Nobody is going to come for 500 per treatment for 15 minutes. The thing is that you will not feel improvement in 15 minutes. So who's going to pay 500? So I don't know whether he succeeded or not, because I love the company. The unreasonable punya ni lah. Alright, so this is bioresonance. I also have this in my clinic. So bioresonance works. But it is not 100% reliable, because sometimes it will give readings that are weird. Okay, because dia ada reason, you see. Because dia akan pantulkan you punya frequency, and whatever frequency dia akan record. So dia akan hantar frekuensi, and then dia akan dapat balik frekuensi itu, So they will record. And the frequencies that they record correspond to some viruses, some bacteria, some diseases, apa semua kan. The thing you have to understand is that even if the frequency correspond to certain thing, tak semestinya ada that condition. So kalau if you buat the right biofeedback, memang you will see that the frequencies can be common to many things. So maknanya that is why unless you are trained, you will not be able to know which ones are the frequencies yang detect the real stuff and which ones are not detecting real stuff. Okay? So, okay, and that's why you can detect virus, cancer, even DNA, apa semua. And the one that I've done for myself, I found it very accurate. Very accurate pasal apa? Pasal it detected all the problems that I know I have. Semua dia tangkap. And a few that I didn't know I have. Tetapi bila I tengok dia record, so I tried to tengok and betul. So that was a bit ni lah. Okay, this is Rive machine. I have it in my room. And it also works. My daughter Mariam, she had a very bad skin condition. Nak kata eczema pun bukan. It was something like erythema multiforme. A combination of allergy and infection. So she had it for a few months. So kita dah punya peti dah, diet change, nutrition, nothing worked. So last I out of desperation I guna Rive. The thing is that benda ni ada tapi I tak pakai. So bila dah tak ada, dah my homeopathy didn't work, so I had no choice. Baru I buka the Rive and it works. So alhamdulillah she is better, but because dia tak rajin sangat, that's the key word lah. Because benda ni you have to pasang, you have to attach it, you have to the software program, and then you kena keluarkan. So it takes, nak set up pun it takes about 1 hour, and then after that nak kena duduk atas katil tu 1 jam, things like that. So dia tak rajin. So she can somebody answer? I think she wants to know how to come here or something. Just answer and give her instruction. Okay, so because of that, when Nadine came up with this thing, and then said you can wear it and you just tekan and it takes less than 5 minutes for you to get a program and all that. I said, okay, bam, I beli. And actually I wanted to buy only the murah punya lah. Duit ingat mahal sangat kan. The next day she told me ada offer. Ambil kan? Because from 11,300 you get for 6,770. It was too good to be true. So I think you are the last one. No, you are the no. Ada lagi yang last lagi. Asia bersama. Asia. She was the last one to dapat beli. Very last minute. The next day I tried the code again. No, it's not working anymore. Alright, so Rive works except the leceh. And kalau you buy this set ni yang ada Cookie Central apa semua, is something like 4,000 to 5,000 duit kita. Okay? No, wait. $3,000 US. Oh, tak. $3,000 US times 4 apa? Yeah, okay lah. Okay, so then we come to the Healy lah. Apa dia Healy ni? Dia alat yang boleh pakai, wearable device yang menggunakan gelombang frekuensi untuk rangsang bahagian badan yang spesifik. You see, kalau you baca buku yang I ada share, ada buku tu apa? Caroline McMakin. So she is an expert in micro frequency treatment. She's an expert. So what she realized is that every muscle has a certain frequency. And every type of pain have a certain frequency. Emotion have a certain frequency. So what she did, she's a chiropractor. So she started treating with micro frequencies long time ago. She's quite advanced. Dia dah lama lah. And she's an expert in that field. And buku dia, I already recommended to buy. Either you buy the Kindle edition ataupun you pergi ke Amazon. You can buy the physical edition as well. It's a very good book to read to understand micro frequencies. Okay, Healy is actually 2 in 1. If you buy the resonance, actually resonance is a frequency and bioresonance machine. It is both. But the lower end, even though that little thing have the ability to do bioresonance, if you buy the Capai Holistic Health, you don't have the bioresonance part. So when you are asking about remote healing, it's only possible on the resonance, the top end. Maknanya yang bawah-bawah tu you can only do contact. Because why? Memang you sentiasa you kena pasang electrode and you kena pasang yang ear clips tu ataupun hands. Okay? The only one yang tak payah pasang is the resonance unit. Dia ada dia punya vibrate mode. Vibration mode. So the others memang tak ada vibration mode. Okay? So dia punya main point here is that Healy restore the cell membrane potential. Healy does what? Healy restore cell membrane potential. Now what is that? So every cell dia ada current dia sendiri. It is a cell membrane potential. So kalau you tengok kat sini, tak apa nampak, nanti I will share to the group lah. So kalau the older you get, the sicker you are, the lower you punya cell membrane potential. That means to say as you grow older, you become weaker. Your cell membrane potential becomes weaker. So what Healy can do is Healy can bring it back to your unsick condition, your well condition and your young age condition. Okay. So this kalau orang tanya what is the mechanism of action? Yes? Yeah, dia punya voltage. Ada voltage. So as you get healthier, your voltage become more optimal. Yes. And then as you get sicker, your voltage akan turun. Okay? Alright. Alright, so what is Healy based on? Before Healy, there is this machine that has been around for about, I'm not sure, I baca sometimes, it's between 12 to 15 years ago. Okay? Well, it's quite young lah, 12 to 15 years ago. But within that time, there is this man called Burkhardt, dia dah meninggal tahun 2007. But this Schmicke, the founder of this Healy, dia jumpa dengan Burkhardt ni and dia ada banyak dia punya quantum punya findings apa semua. And Schmicke used his research to build his time waver company, and he was making all these machines that were treating with microcurrents. And finally he met with Dr. Nuna Nina. So what happened after he met Nuna Nina ni? Salam. Okay. So this time waver frequency device is kerjasama antara Schmicke dengan Dr. Nuna Nina. So Schmicke provided the hardware apa semua and Dr. Nuna Nina provided dia punya frequencies. So he has been doing, dia macam making juga, dia dah lama dah guna frequency. So bila bertembung these two, both of them are physicists, scientists, philosopher, spiritual people, all those qualities which when I tengok dia punya biografi apa semua, dia punya sejarah apa semua, I am reminded of ulama ataupun ahli-ahli the greats of Islam. Ibn Sina, Pythagoras also was I can't remember what but all those people whereby they are religious people, dia punya knowledge of religion, of hukum hakam, of everything apa semua complete. At the same time, they are scientists. They are astrologers, they are mathematicians, they are philosophers, they are, Ibn Sina was a doctor, medical, he invented so many medical surgical instruments, sampai sekarang pun ada yang based on his teachings yang ada sekarang. Okay, so those kind of people are the kind of character that rounded. Arts pun ada, spiritual pun ada, science pun ada, all the hardware, software, everything was there. So the result is this time waiver. Unfortunately for us, it costs, one machine costs 30,000 euro. Udah, kita tak larat nak beli Boleh dapat rumah sebiji 30,000 times 4 No, tak sampai 7 kot. That is the British pound, GBP 7. Anyway, kita pun tak larat nak beli. And but it's used. In Europe, it's used by about 1,200 practitioners, and most of them are in Europe lah. In Europe, maybe a few in the US, and the treatment is very expensive. So yang mampu orang yang memang dah kaya. Okay. So this Nona Nina kan, he is the one who actually helped to make the time waiver frequency machine, and he used it in his 20 clinics. And during that time dia ada macam dapat rawat dalam 42,000 orang, okay, including lah yang orang yang kaya tu, yang celebrity. So this is Dr. Nona Nina. Nama dia pelik, Nuno Nina. Okay, he's a Portuguese He's a European, he's a Portuguese. And then so apa signifikan maklumat ini? Helical cycle adalah olahan Dr. Nuno Nina. Dan alat yang ada helical cycle ini sekarang berharga 2,250. Baru je habis kan dia punya promosi. So dengan alat ini pemilik boleh mengadakan sesi heli di rumah sendiri, dan dia boleh adakan sesi ini untuk ahli keluarga sekali. Jadi oleh kerana ada komuniti yang ada pengalaman menggunakan heli ini, sesiapa yang beli akan dapat sokongan yang padu dari pemilik lain. Jadi orang yang bawa heli masuk Malaysia pada bulan April tahun ni adalah Puan Hana dan suami dia adalah Luke. Okey, jadi daripada dia lah yang heli ni tersebar luas. Dan dia ada pengalaman sendiri yang menyebabkan orang nampak dia, kenapa you dah okey? Jadi daripada situlah yang dia dapat, orang kagum kan, tengok, why you are recovered? So sebab itulah banyak orang yang start buying. And kita punya upline, I think Puan Hana, and then after that is Elizabeth, and then Nadine, lepas tu kita. Okay, lepas tu saya, lepas tu you all lah. Okay. So there are four. Healy Gold, Healy Holistic Health, Healy Holistic Health Plus, and Healy Resonance. Yang jauh beza is the Healy Resonance. Actually, Healy Holistic Health Plus dengan Healy Resonance, the program sama. Except Healy Resonance, dia ada vibration mode, dia ada scan mode, and dia ada remote healing mode. And also dia ada additional remedies. Dia ada Bach flower, dia ada something gemstone. I haven't explored fully yet. Shoeless salt, apa semua, which tak ada dalam the other ones. Okay. Tetapi in terms of the program, Healy Holistic Health Plus sama. Had you bought Healy Holistic Health Plus masa promotion, it cost 4K plus. But now it costs double Huh? 6770 lah. So kita bayar 6770, kita dapat Healy Resonance. And kita beli Healy Gold 2250, kita dapat Healy Holistic Health. Sekarang kita 2250, you get gold. Tapi you get gold plus 1. So I was about to buy gold plus 1, and I was going to pilih pain and psyche, because for me pain management yang penting. Tapi bila dia promote tak jadi terus beli yang resonance lah. Dia differences in the program. Healy Holistic Health Plus contain all the programs of resonance. Maknanya dia more than Healy Holistic Health. So dia punya level of programs. Actually, I didn't make the slide for everything because it was just too much data. So what I'm going to explain the most is Healy Gold. Sebab kita semua, we have to start with Healy Gold. Kita kena mula dengan Healy Gold. Why kita kena mula dengan Healy Gold? Unless you want to get aggravated, please do the gold cycles first. Even though you dah check dekat you punya resonance kata, oh, you do this, you do this, you do this. Because kalau you tak buat yang the Healy Gold, you tak tune your body enough, you tak prepare it enough, when you do the more deeper programs, you are going to get healing crisis. I can tell you what it feels like because I dah kena. I can tell you what the healing crisis feels like. Alright. Okay, so dia ada balance, being and pure. Tiga nama dia bagi kan. So balance is dari segi physical, and then being is emotional, and pure is organ. Maknanya detox. So these are the three main items. Tetapi dia bukan 3 program, dia lebih daripada 3 program. Okay, I think it's a repeat. And then we have care. Bila kita ada stress, care. And then all of it guna, you have to use contact mode. I told you kan, semua except for resonance have only contact mode. Mesti kena letak kat sini atau letak kat telinga. Okay, semua pakai contact mode. Tak ada. Dia semua pakai contact mode. Okay. Okay, so balance dia 52 minit, being 55 minit, pure is about 52 minutes. Okay, so memang kalau kita start any treatment pun, we will do the detox first, right? So pure is for detox. So you can start with detox. Kalau kita nak macam contohnya, even with homeopathic punya treatment, kalau kita tengok patient tu very weak, and then dia punya problem 1001, I always start with organ support remedies, which is actually detox lah. Macam bagi organ support untuk liver apa semua, and then things that, you know, kalau uric acid dia tinggi, we give things that excrete the uric acid, and then kita bagi kat dia ubat-ubat yang help them to berak lawas, things like that kan. Barulah kita akan, the patient starts to improve, baru kita akan nampak dia punya constitutional. Kalau straight away you bagi constitutional, you are in trouble. Because the patient will just keep aggravating and aggravating and aggravating. Sometimes I lebih senang nak jumpa orang yang ada diabetes, hypertension, semua dia ada kan. But all are very deep pathologies. I will start dealing with all the organ remedy. Senang je, tak payah nak fikir banyak. You don't need to think so much because it's organ. So but after about 3 visits and they start to improve, dia creatinine dah turun, kidney function dah improve, liver function semua dah improve, then you have to crack your head to dig deeper to get dia punya constitutional. Okay, so it's actually not to say actually yang deep pathology tu of course lah it takes longer to baik kan. Tetapi for a homeopath, deep pathology you give organ remedies, so you dah hafal all the organ remedies, tak ada masalah lah. Tapi kalau patient datang yang sakit tapi tak berapa sakit, and dia punya penyakit tu ada mental symptoms, ada physical symptoms apa semua, memang you duduk depan, you kena duduk, you kena try to figure out what is their emotion, what's behind this, what is dia punya personality macam mana, what traumas have they had, what is their genetic, lagi banyak cerita. So come back to this one, maknanya detox is the most important thing when you want to start with Healy. Okay, so these are the care. I dah cakap tadi kan, it is for protecting our bioenergy. And then dia ada another program which is called energy. This is memang kita yang cepat penat apa semua tu, stamina. Okay?
Perkara ni memang penting sangat. Hili ni tidak boleh dipasang di dada dan pada depan leher. Kerana ada urat darah dan jantung kat sini. Jadi especially yang contact mode yang pakai macam pad tu, kalau yang clip tu memang gantung kat telinga kan. Okey, lagi satu, kalau ada pacemaker memang tak boleh pakai contact mode. Jadi hanya boleh pakai vibrate mode dan remote mode, maknanya hanya ADC resonance saja yang boleh guna. Okey, and jangan guna Healy pada bayi bawah setahun. In fact, kalau kita ikut pada Healy punya polisi, dia memang mengatakan dia tidak ambil tanggungjawab kalau kita merawat kepada kanak-kanak, yakni bukan dewasa. Tapi ini dari segi polisi, tetapi banyak pemilik Healy memang guna juga. Tetapi saya kena awaskan, maknanya kena caution, jangan guna contact mode dengan current yang tinggi. Pasal dia ada level dia kan, yang kalau kita buka-buka dia 15%. Jangan naikkan sangat. Selagi mana ada kontak, di mana kita tengok tu dia punya bulatan tu dia tak hitam, maknanya ada microcurrent yang mengalir dan rawatan memang berkesan. Tak perlu sampai kita terasa renjatan-renjatan. Jadi untuk anak-anak tak payah ada voltage yang tinggi, bukan voltage lah, apa-apa kekuatan current tu yang tinggi. Bagi yang ada amalgam, apa dia amalgam ni? Amalgam ni adalah tampalan gigi yang warna hitam. Dia campuran perak dengan mercury. Jadi kalau kita tahu perak ni dia memang dia masih boleh conduct electricity, dan juga mercury pun sama. So kalau ada amalgam, bukan tak boleh guna, tetapi ada kemungkinan akan ada macam healing crisis, sebab akan ada pergerakan pada mercury dalam amalgam itu. Okey, apa yang kita boleh lakukan? Memang digalakkan bahawa orang-orang yang ada amalgam ni tukar kepada komposit. Jadi dia ada doktor gigi yang tertentu yang dia boleh lakukan. Yang saya kenal seorang dekat Ostia Bangi tu, ada Dr. Isa Ismadi, dia boleh lakukan dengan baik sebab dia ada peralatan yang cukup lengkap untuk tukarkan amalgam kepada komposit dengan dengan selamat. Tapi harga memang harga KL lah. And kalau kita nak tukar amalgam, memang kalau yang dia pakai dams dan sebagainya, dia pakai peralatan yang canggih sikit, memang harga dia agak mahal sikit. Apa yang saya syorkan, tak payah nak, kalau banyak sangat amalgam, jangan buang sekerentak. Kena buang sikit-sikit dan kena ada detox. Kalau nak tahu lebih macam mana nak detox daripada pertukaran amalgam kepada komposit, boleh jumpa saya di Homeopathy Integrasi. Okey, bagi yang ada sebarang jenis besi konduktor, banyak besi yang digunakan sebagai apa orang kata macam sokong tulang dan sebagainya, dia tidak jenis konduktor. Tapi kalau ada yang jenis konduktor ni, jangan guna. Bukan jangan guna di tempat penggunaan saja, elok jangan guna langsung. Alright. Sebab apa? Sebab nanti current tu akan pergi kepada besi itu. Walaupun current tu low frequency, namun demikian nanti rasa tak enak. Okey, ada disclaimer penting. Jadi kadang-kadang kita happy sangat dengan result Healy, kita akan ceritakan semua, oh yang ni kanser boleh baik, tu boleh baik ni, oh kucing manis boleh baik, darah tinggi boleh baik. Tolong jangan dakwa begitu. Sebab Healy tidak ada sebarang dakwaan syarikatnya untuk menyembuhkan sebarang penyakit. Cuma dia betulkan bioenergi badan, pulihkan potensi membran sel dan kurangkan asid dalam badan, dan ini mencetuskan penyembuhan sendiri semula jadi. Jadi sebarang penyembuhan adalah disebabkan badan kita sendiri ada kuasa sembuh bila sel badan dalam keadaan optimum. Dan Healy tidak menggantikan ubat. Okey, perbezaan Healy Gold dengan Healy Holistic Health dan Holistic Health Plus dengan resonance. Jadi kita tahu kalau Healy Gold dia ada program Gold Series, and then Holistic Health dia ada tambahan program untuk pain dan sebagainya, and then HH Plus ada semua program sama dengan resonance. Tapi bila kita bandingkan, HH P pun dia tidak ada contact mode, dia tidak ada vibrate mode dan dia tidak ada remote mode dan tidak boleh scan. Jadi program resonance ada tambahan modul. Bug flower, shoeless salt, minerals dan penawar warna putih dan ada lagi. Okay, and then dari segi jualan, kalau kita adalah owner resonance, bila kita jual bonus kita paling tinggi. Okay, itu perbezaan dan akhir kata. Jadi ini sebenarnya tak lengkap lagi cerita pasal Healy ni. Tapi saya berhenti kat sini dulu. Nanti mudah-mudahan Allah izinkan kita boleh sambung lagi dalam persembahan yang lain. Okay? Jadi Healy adalah alat yang menggunakan teknologi kuantum dan gelombang. Yang gelombang ni yang resonance lah. Okay, contact mode menggunakan microfrequency dan vibrate mode menggunakan bioresonance. Healy dipasarkan secara MLM. Saya tahu memang ada orang tak suka. Tapi the thing is, kalau you tak mahu involve dalam MLM, no problem. You just jadi pembeli. That's not an issue. Tak payah nak join jual sekali. Jadi banyak keuntungan pergi kepada pengguna Healy sebenarnya sebagai share partner. In fact, masa dia orang buat dia punya compensation plan tu, tak tahulah mungkin orang tu silap kat mana. Dia tengok duit keluar lebih banyak pada duit masuk. Jadi lepas tu dia orang adjust balik lah. Jadi maknanya saya tak nampak lah syarikat ni saja nak kau untung banyak-banyak. Tetapi dia banyak mengongsikan segala keuntungan dengan pembeli sebagai share partner dia. Penting sekali sebagai pemilik Healy dan yang dia recommend Healy ni kat orang, kalau orang tu beli bawah dia bertanggungjawab atas orang yang beli tu. Maknanya kalau ada apa-apa soalan, ada kesukaran, ada kesusahan, dia yang kena tolong. Maka memang setiap pembeli yang dia nak juga jadi penjual, dia memang kena ambil tanggungjawab dan bekerja keras untuk membantu dan menolong orang yang beli. Jadi obviously kalau you jual banyaklah orang yang you ambil tanggungjawab atas. Okay? Ini tak boleh nak abaikan tanggungjawab ni. Kalau orang yang beli dia tak dapat pertolongan daripada orang yang jual tu, dia boleh komplain kepada orang yang berpangkat tinggi sikit. Maknanya contohnya kalau ada orang beli kat saya, lepas tu katakanlah A beli kat saya, lepas tu A jual kat B, C dengan D, lepas tu B, C dengan D pergi dekat A, dia tak nak tolong. Jadi B, C dengan E boleh terus datang kat saya. Contohlah kan. Okey, jadi maknanya dia boleh terus datang kat saya walaupun A yang jual. Sebab apa? Sebab saya bertanggungjawab atas semua yang bawah saya. Okey. Alat ada waranti 2 tahun dan boleh diperbaiki atau diganti dengan kalau macam habis waranti lah kan. So kita macam jatuh ke, anak kita pergi baling, dia tak waterproof ya, jangan baling dalam air. And then kalau kasar sangat, tarik-tarik tu mungkin dia punya port untuk charging tu longgar dan sebagainya, boleh repair. Ataupun kalau nak beli baru pun boleh. And kita tetap, pendaftaran kita tetap hak milik pembeli. Maknanya registration apa semua, bila kita pergi online, download apps, kita ada kita punya master key dan sebagainya, tak hilang kita punya langganan. Tapi alat tu harga dia dalam 1,000 lebih. Ya, alat tu murah. Yang mahal tu adalah dia punya perkhidmatan, dia punya software, everything else yang menyebabkan dia mahal. And then dia punya product development. Jadi maknanya in the future, mungkin alat tu sama, tetapi dia punya apa yang dia boleh buat tu lagi banyak. Dan kita boleh langgan ataupun kita boleh beli modul-modul tambahan daripada situ. Okey, jadi sekian dari saya. InsyaAllah kita sambung lagi pada masa lain untuk nak bagi lebih keterangan. Dan siapa yang tengok video ini, bolehlah tanya balik kat orang yang hantar video ni kat you, ataupun boleh tanya saya. Okey, tanya saya, Dr. Surya Khatun Osman, syarikat Light of Healing Treatment and Training Center. Kita berpusat di Masjid Tanah dan ada cawangan di Bangi. Okey, nombor untuk dihubungi 010543 alamak 010-543-9187. Okey, itu memang nanti saya akan buat satu lagi slide untuk nombor untuk dihubungi. Tetapi kalau orang yang hantar kat you presentation saya ni adalah somebody yang you kenal dan dia sendiri pemilik Hilly, tolong pergi kontak dia balik, jangan kontak saya. Okey? Sekian. Wassalam, salam sejahtera, wabillahi taufik wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.